Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kendra here and this is Keeping It Kendra. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I keep my goddess braids fresh and beautiful for an extended amount of time. If you'd like to see more products I use and what I do to go to sleep, then keep watching. Beautiful people, it's Kenny Ken back again. Let's just get right into it. First, I put my hair back so I can take off my makeup. Do not sleep in your makeup. Editing this made me realize I look exactly the same before and after. But I start off by parting my hair down the middle. This leaves me with two sections on either side, and I just tie up the side I'm not using. Next, I'm gonna grab my handy dandy spray bottle of 2 parts water, 1 part conditioner. I really just used any conditioner I had in stock and I shook it up really well. So I made sure to saturate all of my hair with this mixture because it just makes it really soft and easy to like run my fingers through. And I just want to clarify, I am not a hair expert. I'm just sharing what has worked for me in the past and the present. By all means, please ask your braider or the girl who did your hair or guy what you should be using. Next, I take this AsIAm rice water spray. So I aim this primarily at my roots. I am a very dry person overall, and this just keeps my scalp hydrated, especially when I have protective styles like goddess braids. So this is a moisturizing, strengthening spray for healthier looking hair. So I really just take a moment to rub it in my scalp. Next, I'm going to part this section in half, ending at my ear. And I just get to braiding. So I usually use a rubber band to secure the end, but I wanted to show you that I go all the way down. Like I go all the way. Then I'm just gonna do the same with the other section and do the same to the other side of my head.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up. With the bitches, I don't get it, you're a star love.
Now that I have my 4 plaits, it's time to really hydrate my scalp. So this is a step I add on for me. I am a very, very dry person overall, like I said. So anytime I can add some moisture, I'm going to do that anywhere. These are just 2 of the products I use and that work for me. Next, I take some hair growth oil and I just apply that to my edges. I definitely added a lot of attention to my edges over time, so I'm trying to like make sure that they have some more added attention. Next, I'll take my scarf. I actually got this from Amazon. It's perfect for when you have braids or like protective styles that are long like this. It's satin and it keeps everything secure and in place. But now it's time to go to sleep. Good night.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Good morning. Now time for some quick skincare. And we're back. I found that braiding my hair before I go to sleep and then waking up with it dried really adds some nice definition to the boho and the braid. This prevents the hair from knotting and tangling while you're sleeping, and it just makes it look so good. See? I literally get so excited to do this every morning. I forgot to add this in, but you can also take some mousse. I use this one and kind of rub it on your hands and then comb it through your hair. It just keeps the curls defined throughout the day and they don't fall. But yeah, that's really all I do. All the products that I use will be linked down below and also in my Amazon storefront. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. These are just some clips of my hair. But I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you actually had a takeaway from this video or if it helped you at all. and can't wait to see you soon. Bye.